It's in the town of Union Bridge, and my husband and I wanted to create a destination spot.
Welcome to the Flood Zone. Right next to the Little Pipe Creek in Carroll County, it is the dream of owners Beth and Jerry Stambaugh. The Flood Zone is both a brewery and a marketplace.
We have 9 to 11 at any time on tap, including a hard seltzer.
And IPAs that have quickly become local favorites. Quickly because the Flood Zone, named for the town's history with Hurricane Agnes, was open just 11 days in February when they had to shut down because of COVID.
Because of COVID, we've had to evolve, but it has given us the opportunity to change things up and make things even more fun.
Like expanding their outdoor seating. Inside, the marketplace is given a home to local vendors like Janie Dell's Primitive Folk Art. At Lucy's Little Red Wagon, Lucy sells unique gifts, and her deli and produce gives the community something they don't have nearby.
We have a dollar store, which is great, but then other than that, we have to go to Westminster, we have to go to Frederick to get the staples like potatoes, onions, tomatoes, milk, that sort of thing.
And you provide all that.
I do.
This weekend, the Flood Zone is hosting an event to raise money for local kids with cancer. Kids can come in and decorate a pumpkin for free. Sponsors are donating all of the money to Tanner's Touch. The Flood Zone's open Thursday through Sunday.
It's fun. It really and truly is fun here.
Jennifer Franciotti, WBAL TV 11 News.